Hi guys! Do you want to go to the beach and show off your bikini body, yet you are not that confident due to the judgment of people? Are you tired of figuring out how to get rid of those extra pounds, most especially on the belly and thigh part? Well, don't you worry, we've got your back. Hi everyone! Welcome to Amazing Ideas, where we will share some tips and ideas on natural ways to become healthy, wellness, home remedies, natural cure, and some ways and means to stay safe and healthy. And always remember, life is beautiful. Some people will go hit the gym almost every day or get into restrictive diets just to lose weight. But as soon as their willpower is gone, all those pounds will come back with a revenge. Well, don't worry, because we are here to help you out. We have tips and tricks on how to get you slimmed down without forcing too much effort. By the way, please thumbs up if you like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and click the notification bell below so that you will be updated every time we have a new video. Number 1. Cut down on liquid calories. Drinking milkshakes, milk tea, coffee with cream, alcohol, sodas are considered to be liquid calories, which means they have the smallest nutritional value and they have the most calories. Most of these drinks contain extra sugar and fat, which can lead to weight gain. You can substitute these drinks with water. This way, you can be assured that your calorie intake has been reduced and you will be surprised by how much pounds you will lose. Number 2. Remove all temptations surrounding you. Out of sight is out of mind. So, if you have donuts on your coffee table, ice cream somewhere in your freezer, chips or biscuits in the cabinet, chances are you will go straight ahead to these unhealthy snacks when you are tired or stressed out. This is what we call emotional eating. Instead of solving the problem or taking some rest, you tend to get foods that you feel will make you feel better. Number 3. Be careful with your portions. If you have a big plate, there will be a tendency that you will put many foods and eat it. Gradually, start to cut size down. You can have a small plate and slowly make your portions about 25 to 30%. This simple trick will make yourself believe that you are not eating less than the usual. Number 4. Try to exercise 2 or 3 times a week. Exercising is one of the most important things that we as humans must do. But due to work or school, you might not have time to exercise. It is not really necessary to have an extreme or hard exercise. You can choose between swimming, jogging, walking, cycling, or you can have an activity that will feed your soul and not just your body, like yoga. Number 5. Always check the nutritional facts on food labels. When you go at the groceries and get some products for your daily foods, always check the label of the nutritional fact. This way, you can monitor yourself on how many calories you consume. Always buy the products that are full of nutrients and much beneficial to your body. Please give us an opinion so that we will know if you get some ideas and if you are enjoying the video. Also, if the video is important to you and to your health. And by the way, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up to help the channel. Number 6. Choose your grain products wisely. The nutritional value of a certain package must be checked because sometimes the oatmeal contains a bunch of sugar. So, when you have the option to choose between the cereals and grains, pick for a whole wheat flour, whole grain, and brown rice, which are considered to be much better alternatives than others. But do not forget to check the label. Number 7. Avoid processed foods. Purchasing foods that are processed can lead to more eating, more amounts of salt, sugar, and fat. These types of foods are high in calories, so if you want to reduce some weight, you choose unprocessed foods instead. Even if you eat more fruits and vegetables, you will gain less rather than the processed foods. Now that you know some of the information, let us talk about this mysterious magical drink that you can drink every day and you will not believe the result. The major ingredient in this drink is cumin. And yes, you heard me right. Cumin is a spice that can speed up your weight loss journey. One research from Iran tried to examine a group of 88 overweight and obese women into two groups. One group had plain yogurt and the other had yogurt mixed with cumin powder every day. For 3 months, they are required to consume 500 calories, and after those months, the second group with yogurt mixed with cumin powder loses 3 pounds better than the women who only eat plain yogurt. And it is so surprising that the body percentage of the women on the second group reduced 3 times more than the first group. First group has a body percentage of 4.9%, while the second group got 14.6%, all thanks to the fat burning spice. Here's how you can make this fat burning drink. You are going to need 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of grated root, the juice of half a lemon, and 1 glass of water. First, you will boil the water and put in the cumin and ginger. Keep the heat low for 5 minutes, then set aside and let it cool. Lastly, add the lemon juice. You should only take 1 teaspoon of this mixture 20 minutes before consuming any meal. You will see the results after just a month. This simple remedy drink can also help you lose some weight up to 10 pounds. How does this fat burning drink work? Each of the drinks contain ingredients that play its role in speeding up the process of weight loss. Cumin contains antioxidants and is full of phytosterols, which makes it not absorb bad cholesterol into digestive tract. Therefore, it helps burn the calories faster and encourages weight loss. Ginger stimulates digestion, decreases inflammation, and suppresses your appetite. The ginger heats up the body and can boost your metabolism because it contains thermogenic properties. So, the faster the metabolism, the more calories that can burn even when you are sleeping. Lemon, as we are all aware, contains vitamin C, which boosts metabolism, promotes fullness, and reduces cortisol levels. Cortisol is a stress hormone which can store fat in your body. Therefore, drinking this fat burning drink can help you reduce your weight. Aside from losing weight, this drink also has amazing health benefits. So, what do you think about the video that we've shared? Are you going to apply these effective ways on losing weight now that you know its amazing benefits? Please write your comments below and share your tips and amazing ideas. And if the video is important to your health, we would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for taking a moment out of your busy day and taking interest in our content. We know that it is a struggle to lose weight, but with tweaks and alterations in our lifestyle, it will have a big impact on our weight loss journey. Please check out our other videos that might interest you.